Ooh.
If you listen from the beginning, we didn't say that. We said cross country. In a quarter mile at the traffic center. If you listen from the beginning, we didn't say that. We said cross country. In a quarter mile at the traffic center.
This is my best friend's party.
Hey, my wife's pregnant. You need to come over here. Come on. What the fuck am I? You need to go sit down.
Get the fuck off, please.
Hey,
I'm autistic. I don't know.
Hey, look at all them flowers, Lily.
Yeah, not taking you to jail. I'm letting you drive off. Hey! Hey, you can't park there! You can't park there!
Even with the big old lights.
A research chair from the University of Alberta is advisor under the Trump administration was invited to speak to Alberta's governing body. Health ministers are meeting in.
Yeah.
When I pull up in the whip, they be saying.
I made the call, it was just like I'm repping. I know we left, yeah, now we back together, but I guess that is better now. Later than never, like, what's happening? I'ma need y'all quit asking when. Me and my wife gonna have some kids. Right now, we just practicing. Bitch, fuck around and get your face split in it. They know I'm a payment. You ain't better double until you say it. I get it. We gon' how you treat your body, give a fuck about your claim. I don't give a fuck about no.
God damn! Go back to 50. Oh shit. Cover! ابعدوا.
Oh my fucking god! Holy fuck!
Nou, verdorie, hele is kapot.
Nee, die oude guy is er nooit meer uit.
Nee.
Eventually reaching a state of perfection where you embrace nirvana.
Fucking idiot.
Wow.
I ain't seen it. Let's try it.
Tell you the truth, guy, I just found out that Putin is just said he's going to launch nuclear thermal war against the world. I was trying to get back to my house to find out what's going on. I'm freaking out here, guy.
Fucking idiot!
Legit a baby on this person's lap. There is a fucking baby on this person's lap as she's driving, talking on the phone. Oh my god. Breaking every... oh my god.
Oh.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Now that I have my license, bro, days fly by. Like nothing.
I don't think it confirms anything, but we've been hearing
I watched all that. We literally called it. Oh